to Ubuntu Linux operating system setting up. So this one, I downloaded it and this is different than what I suggested in step 2. I'm making an executive decision to make this easier process. Instead of downloading an ISO and then installing it, we'll just do it the easy way, I think. So basically it's installed. So I went to, just as a reminder, plus and then virtualize. Then I selected, sorry, didn't do that. It's plus, download pre-built from UTM gallery. And then I scroll down and I selected Ubuntu 22 and then open in UTM. So that'll open in there and ask you to download, and that will download there for you. But I'm going to cancel that because I've already got it. So then I select the play button here. Now, if you are running the Windows virtual machine in the background, just a note here, let's keep an eye out here. This says display output is not active. Just wait for a bit. If you've got the Windows virtual machine running in the background or another virtual machine, it'll block this from working. It won't let this continue on. So at this stage, we're just going to wait till this progresses, and there we go. Because with the Windows machine that we have, if you're using Windows, that it takes 4 gigs. If I've only got 8 gig of RAM, I'm talking about RAM here, sorry. If I've got 8 gigs of RAM, I've got 4 gigs for Windows. Ubuntu needs 4 gigs as well, unfortunately. Can't really get away with 2 for Ubuntu. It's very resource hungry. But if you got 16 gig of RAM on your MacBooks, great, you're good to go. But with Ubuntu, it needs 4. And as you can see, it's working straight away. So if you're not getting to this stage, it means you've run out of memory, most likely. I actually don't know what the password is to this one. I actually don't know. So just enter. Because I didn't design this one. Okay, let's go to the UTM's website, because I actually don't know. Let's go to download pre-built. It should give us a support here. So go to guide. Where is the password for this? Good question. We'll do this. Control F. All right. We'll have to ask ChatGPT. What is the default password for Ubuntu? I'm going to try Ubuntu. Maybe Ubuntu is the password. Yeah, Ubuntu. There we go. There we go. Big up. We're in. That's it. How easy was that? And now we've got Ubuntu operating system there. Amazing. This is just really good. So that's Ubuntu done. Really easy. I don't even think we should even worry about the other version. Let's leave it at this, okay? How's that sound? If you've got a bit of time, you want to mess around and experiment, go for it. So we'll only be using Ubuntu very lightly. We might do some Linux commands, a little bit of code, a little bit of scripting of some type, or maybe Python scripting or something like that. But not much. We're not going to use this very heavily. But what I wanted to show you is just to make sure you shut this down. So you go to the top right, power off, and power off. Okay, so we want to shut that down. Okay, now that's the end. That's the shortest episode of them all. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.